now.
Yeah.
You didn't like it, I guess. Finally got one team that good.
I got trailer 2 back here.
And very dirty.
No reason, like I say, do we ever point this way.
That's about what the barrel.
All right.
For the horse neck.